started, so
All right, here we go. You're about to get banned.
well, that's not good.
You're gonna get banned, and I'm gonna get canceled. Let's go. Speedrun getting banned on Twitch.
It's okay. Twitch treats us like trash anyway.
Is the thing you sent me? The thing I probably sent you, where it's talking about haircuts.
No. The thing I sent
Really?
you is not something that should be on stream, but I don't think you're gonna show it on stream anyway. So.
Well, no, because I sent you something of the same guy.
Did you read
It has
it?
to do with haircuts. Oh, no, this is a different disabled dude.
Okay, you're making this sound very bad without context.
It's okay.
I don't even know you didn't even know you sent me a video. Did you read it?
Read what?
The video I sent you.
Oh, I was looking at it, and then I saw that it was a disabled guy, and then I didn't read anything.
Bruh, why you look at memes and then not read them? Well, that's literally the context.
Because it was TikTok.
What? No, it wasn't. It was Snapchat.
I saw one where it was like same concept, like same joke, except it was him moaning in text to speech.
Bruh. I saw one again, same context. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of memes about it right now. But it was like a Nurgle or looking guy with a little metallic suit on, like exoskeleton suit on.
Oh. Well, I just started my stream now.
Thanks. So I'm the only one getting canceled.
Yeah. That's kind of how it's supposed to go.
Yo, I want this.
Parameters and arguments. Returning data is all well and good, but let's say you're visiting New York City, and you've been told that New Yorkers usually add 20% tip for restaurants and taxis. It'd be really convenient if you could just build a function that accepted different pieces as input and figured out how much you should tip. As it happens, you can do that with parameters. Parameters, sometimes called formal parameters, are variables used in a function. Jesus Christ. Variables used in a function's definition. They act as placeholders for input values you'll use during your function call. So the parameter, okay, so we're saying, so the 5 from do something goes into, I'm confusion. Okay, and the function below prices the function's parameter, and it is a double. It is declared between the parentheses and then used in the body of the function. Double get tip, double price, return price times 0.2, should be 20%. Then, when you're ready to use your function, the value you pass to the function is called an argument, also known as actual parameter. In this case, 15.75 is the argument that is passed to the function. What's up, Chaos Drew? What am I trying to code? Nothing specific right now. We're just learning to code, and the idea we're learning C++, and we want to make our own game eventually. I think in the next couple of months we'll probably start making like really poopy games.
That's how we start.
But yeah, that's, I mean, obviously it'd just be to learn the ropes and whatnot. So that's what we're trying to do right now. And that means we must learn C++. So much fun. Then when you're ready to use your function, the value you pass to the function is called an argument. Oh, okay, I understand now. Also known as the actual parameter. In this case, 15.75 is the argument that's passed to the function. So double tip equals get tip And then in that parenthesis, it's taking the 15.75 and assigning it to the double price in the function. So when you call on the function, you're sending in this information, which we could have that be an input. It could be like, whatever you want to name it, cash spend or whatever. And then you would input how much cash you're spending, and then it would send it to the get tip function, in which it will times it by 0.2 and then return the price. So it says return price times 2. So it's going to return the calculation. But how do we, yeah. How do we, oh, this is the emergency number thing. Didn't we already look at this? What is going on? I'm confused. I've been all right, man. Just trying to learn C++, pay my bills, all the fun stuff. So I haven't really been doing any Minecraft or anything, so I've been stepping away from that part of my YouTube channel. And just uploading like gaming shorts when we do have a moment to game together and get some funny clips. So I just don't have the time anymore to be doing a bunch of tutorials and helping people out all day.
Dick.
Yeah.
If you scroll down to the bottom, do you see the little check mark next to everything?
Yeah.
Okay, so just go to the next step. Tackling multiple arrangements. Huh? Tackling multiple arrangements, so you're on the next step.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on, you may be thinking, are you limited to one parameter per function? Not at all. You can add as many as you'd like, but you'll have to remember their order when you call the function. Double price, double tip, double total. If total underscore included. Okay, that is double price, double tip, bool total included. Okay. If total included, return price times tip plus price. Else, return price times tip. So we have 3 parameters: double price, double tip, bool, total included. When calling get tip, it's important to call it with price first, tip second, and return total last. Yeah, because that's the order it's in. I see. Get tip 0.25 true 45.5. This code will not work. This code results in 56.875, which could round up to 56.88. So define a void function name x times that takes 2 parameters, a string name and an integer x. For science. Okay. So we've got our main. That means, wait, is it, are we doing a void or?
That's how.
Yeah, it is a void function.
Void.
Void name x times parenthesis shooby dooby. And in here, we're going to take name and x, int x, and string name. Okay. I did that right? Yeah. Yeah, string name, integer x. Unless it's supposed to be a double. Wait, is it a double or bool? Oh, it can't be bool, it's true. Is it a double or an int?
The main is int.
It says int x, okay, yeah, so. Okay. I did that, but oh, with my name and some number. Okay, cool. So, oh, add your name here. Okay, well, I'll just change this if you would like. All right, I'll put Deca. Okay, and now we have to call on it and give it string my name and some number so that it can. So essentially, string my name will be assigned to string name when it goes to the
December 31st,
void
2020.
name x times the void function. And then some underscore number will be assigned to integer x because you have to do it in order. So that would then name x times y underscore name some underscore number run. Okay, I broke that shit horribly.
What are you stuck on?
We just toured so.
Oh, you wanted to offer some scam that doesn't help anyone's channel actually and will result in fake views and subs, not even subs, but just fake views and follows. That's incredible, man. What a great fucking deal. Get the fuck out of here, you stupid fuck. Or keep watching the stream, bump the viewer up. Um,
Deca, you don't have it defined. Number 3, you had to do number 3 on the first one. Or sorry, you got to do number 3 still.
What do you mean number 3?
The third thing on there.
Huh? What third thing?
Look at your instructions, kid.
Well, yeah, but the instructions won't go past this yet.
Oh.
And I'm like, the fuck did I do wrong?
Your string, you didn't put STD.
Huh?
STD, 2 dots and then string at the very top. Right,
What, in
string.
void?
Yeah, STD ... string.
That's needed up there? What in the fuck?
That's how I have mine.
Can't just, why does it have to be STD? What? That will run as long as x is greater than 0. Okay, that's easy enough. While x greater 0 Shibubi. Okay. Wait. Okay. So I'm lost. Yeah, if I do that, it's gonna just run forever. Oh, we already called on X. I'm an idiot. I thought X wasn't defined, so I was trying to define it in the while loop. But it's defined in the void. Well, yeah, if we run this, it's just gonna be a fucking loop that goes on forever. I have to refresh the page.
You're missing your spaces, bro.
Huh?
Your spaces? I mean, I guess you don't. I don't know if you need to
No,
put
it's spaced.
spaces.
Oh, what you mean between like the parenthesis and then the X and the
Yeah.
0 and the greater? Yeah, the spacing there isn't needed. So actually, you know what's interesting? C++ is not picky like Python is or other scripting languages, script-based languages. So you could actually do this and it will function just the same. It just looks more confusing when you do that.
Mm-hmm.
At least for someone still learning. But you could literally in C++ code an entire game on one line of code. You just have to make sure that you have the proper end line, and it's like if you were to do a cout high, you could add that onto the end. It's like, well, this would be outside of the statement, so we'd actually want to put that right here. But this works. It would just spam the word high forever. And then we can do X++ so it doesn't. Damn it. Now it's all just confusing syntax at this point. That's why I like to properly do this. But it's not needed apparently in C++ at all. Okay, inside the function of a body, create a while loop that runs as long as X is greater than 0. Yeah, I did that. Dude, spacing there isn't important. I am still so very lost. Why isn't it not letting me continue again? It's literally a while loop. That was right.
Huh?
Well, I have the while loop, but if I run this, it's gonna go forever. So I'm gonna throw an X++ in there, I suppose, so it doesn't. The fuck? I hit run. Okay, there we go.
What? What do?
It acted like it was gonna run forever, and then it didn't. Okay, inside the while loop, print name to the terminal. Below the print statement, increase X by 1, so that X is a smaller number on the next loop. So we want to do X minus. Oh, dude, no, it would have gone forever because X++ would just have it go up. And I did greater than 0, so it would forever be greater than 0. I accidentally created an infinite loop for some reason. It didn't actually get stuck. Okay, so now I just need a print string name. name. Deca. Now it should go deca. Perfect. Now it's on separate lines. Okay. Now call name times in the main with some numbers argument. Don't forget to change my name to your name. Oh, I've already done that. Okay, so I finished what it wanted me to do. Deca. All right, now I'm ready. How parameters and arguments work. Well, it's stupid that you have to put the STD string in there, but whatever. Python would never.
Python would never.
That's the problem with learning multiple languages is like you think you know something and then you do it wrong because it's correct on one platform but wrong on another. Even though the whole gist of parameters and whiles and fors is technically the same, the syntax changes a little bit.
Back in I saw an old video when I was trying to look up videos on for loops and stuff.
Yeah.
And I sent it, and I don't know if you read it, but I posted under it that said, this is like an older version of C++.
Mm-hmm.
And the way he wrote it was all he had to type in was log. There was no std cout.
Oh.
It was just log. I was like, damn, why'd they change that? That's easier.
I think you still can call on log, can't you?
I don't know. If you can, it's probably not the proper way to do it.
Oh, it's std log.
And then this is difficult.
Yeah, they definitely changed some stuff there. I'm going to delete this spam message. Okay. We are on to the next page. That was gross.
You ready?
Yeah, how parameters and arguments work. Are you reading or me?
Well, you reading is helping you stay focused, so.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Huh?
Off your phone.
Why would I do that?
I'm watching you on your phone.
I'm not. I would never.
Bruh, I'm literally watching you.
A function with parameters has a couple of requirements, alright? The function must include the same number of arguments as there are parameters. The corresponding arguments must be passed in the same order. Well, we did just learn that on the last page, but thank you for reiterating. By calling a function with arguments, you are telling a function, hey function, when you execute, these are the values where you have parameters in your definition. While it executes, anywhere the function comes across a parameter, it replaces the parameter with the corresponding argument you gave it. Nice. Take a look at how our updated make sandwich function executes when it gets called with ingredients as arguments. Parameters, yeah. So peanut butter, then jelly, fitting 1 and 2, sandwich equals bread, peanut butter, jelly, bread. Whoa, return sandwich. Now, what I'm confused about, it says string sandwich here is equal to essentially an empty. Oh, sandwich plus equal. Okay. Return sandwich. Okay, now I see how it's figuring that. So it's adding it all to the string and then returning the string sandwich when it's done. And then it will print out make sandwich, which is sandwich when it's returned. I see. Okay, I understand now. Wow, check out all you've learned about C++ functions. A function is a named group of statements that do something together. Functions allow you to create more flexible, modular, and dry code. C++ has many built-in functions that you can use. Functions are called like function name. A function has a declaration with a return type and possible parameters. A function has a definition or body with a group of statements and a possible return value. Void functions do not return values. Functions with a return value have return statements. Parameters are variables used as placeholders for function input values. Arguments are a function's actual input values. You now know enough C++ to create some pretty cool projects on your own, but as you'll see, there are still many ways to improve your code. Try using functions to rewrite or refactor that IT conversation program we showed you. You can also use this space to play around with building your own functions. Have fun. Define fun. Okay. The code doesn't do anything unless you want it to. Well, I don't really want to. It's saying to the instructions, try using functions to rewrite or refactor that IT conversation program we showed you. I don't really want to.
You could just hit next.
Next. Oh, code challenge. Let's go. It's getting serious. Oh, look. She's all beefy. She beefy with it. Let's go. Roll up your sleeves. All right. Get yourself in the mood. Oh, for functions. Oh, okay. Because it's code challenge time. Say what? Here's how it works. Each exercise in this lesson has a C++ function for you to build. Each challenge has many solutions, and we encourage you to be creative. We don't care what goes on in the function, as long as it works the way it should. Notice those tests in main for each function. As a refresher, C++ function syntax looks like this. Return type, function name, parameter 1, parameter 2. Code block here, return output if there is any. For example, with real code, it might look like if Number modulo 2 is equal to 0, return true. Otherwise, return false. Best of luck. Move on to the first challenge once you are ready. Man, challenge me. It's time to do. Write a function introduction with no return value that has std string parameter named first name and string parameter named last name. The function should print the last name followed by a comma, a space, first name, another space, and finally, last name again. For example, introduction, James Bond should print the following, Bond, James. Oh, okay. Introduction. std string fn std string ln ba-dum, std cout pacman last name first name. Oh, actually, you know what? We're gonna do std string gn. Wait, is it just string gn or do I need std there too? Equals last name plus first name. I don't think I need std. String gn. std cout pacman gn. Last name plus space comma space plus first name. All right, I fucked it really hard. Do I have to std string gn? Okay, we're getting closer. Oh. First name, last name. Mm-hmm. Well, this is interesting. Is introduction defined correctly? You know, pretty sure it was. I mean, there's a much easier way, I guess, to just do this. I could just cout last name plus comma space plus first name and oh, I put SS. That's fine. Okay, yeah. Why? Okay, so it's still just giving me the same. So that's not the issue then. What in the heck? Forbids the declaration of introduction with no type of Yeah, okay, I don't see what the issue is here. Confusion has stricken. Why is this not working? Oh, wait. Wait. Ah, that's why. Um, it's saying this is wrong, but it's not. Okay, I did that. I literally did that. I fixed it because I realized I didn't define it as void, but now I'm confused because is introduction defined correctly? It is, yeah. And the code works exactly as you said it should work. So why? Let's view their solution. Let's see what they put. Huh? Keep my code. Why? Oh, okay. I'm an idiot. That's why it wants you to print out the last name twice for whatever reason. So it's not that my code was wrong. I didn't complete the assignment. Bond, James Bond. Oh, dude, I don't even. Space plus. There we go. That should do it. All right. What is wrong now? It's not wrong. It it's not wrong at all. Oh, okay. Okay. I see. It wants me to do new line. Okay. Well, this is correct. So why is it? This is literally correct. I am very much lost. The spacing here doesn't matter. I just did that for fun. But why is this not? Why is it not? Knowles, Beyonce Knowles. Okay. Bond, James Bond. Yeah, I did it exactly as it says to do it. The only difference in this code is that I just shortened it to FN and LN instead of first name and last name. That is the only difference. Is it really going to be that picky? Does it really care what I named the variables? Wow, that's weird. Okay, well, let's satisfy it then. I'll just change all these from first name to last name. First name to last name. Last name first name plus last name run. Oh no, it says I did it correctly. I just didn't like what I named them. It's like, oh, you can do this however you want. Oh, but you have to name it exactly how we want you to name it. Suck my dick. Okay. Code challenge. Average. Write a function average that takes a double parameter named num1, a double parameter named 2, and it should return a double that is the average of the arguments passed in. Ah, okay. Void average num1, num2, std, cout, num1. I'm gonna name this AVG average. Okay. Oh, dope. I didn't define them as bools at all. Or doubles. Fuck. Keeps confusing doubles and bools. Okay, double run. Oh, okay, well, that didn't work either. What am I wrong doing? Oh, I didn't define average as a double either. Okay, well, that just broke everything. Void average. Yeah, okay, I did a plus b divided by 2. What do you mean? Oh. Okay, okay. Why does my code hate me? Hello? That's literally, yeah. Oh, this can't be void if it's returning. There we go. Okay. So, do I need to even make this a separate line, or can I? Just make it one line. Oh. Okay, so yeah, that's not going to work. That has to be a separate line. So if that's the case, then why did this not count? This returned exactly how it should, did it not? I am confused.
My arm. Decade.
Oh. Oh. This is supposed to be a double. Idiot. And then you don't even have to define this? I see. Return that. That's it? Is that easy? No, it's not. It lied to me. No, I'm an idiot. There's no equal here. There we go. There we go. 1.5 is the average. Okay. We're just literally printing out the average. We're not actually making it its own variable. I see. Just, okay. Simpler than I expected, but alrighty. Ints and doubles don't like to mix. 10th power. Write a function named 10th power. That has, okay. 10th power. Yeah. Write a function named 10th power. That has an int parameter named num. Okay. Int num. Raised to the 10th power. What is even the formula for that? Jesus. You have to literally, okay, that's what I thought you had to do, but the fact that you actually, there's no quicker way to do that is kind of weird. Let me just. There we go. All right. I think I got a hang on this. A handle, a hang, a grab, a grasp. Firmly grasp it. What if we put 69 to the 10th power? Oh, I hit next instead of run code. Idiot. Back. Let's see what 69 to the 10th power is. It's a negative number, that's insane. What about 6? Okay, it's a positive number, so 69 is not a negative number. It's just so high that the computer is like broken. Write a function named first 3 multiples. Okay. Three. Okay, first 3 multiples. And so times it by 1, 2, and 3. Also.
Hmm.
Right. Okay. Jeez. I don't think this works at all. Stop, get a hint. Oh, it actually wants me to create a big. Yes, doing num times 1 doesn't make sense. It's a waste of time. Just do num. Idiot. There's no pushback. I am confusion.
I feel like at this point in our studying, it's like we know enough to read and understand what we're reading, but unless we do it ourselves, like repetitively, we're not gonna learn much more. That makes sense?
Right.
Because like looking at it, I can piece it together, but otherwise, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I have to look at the solution for it to make sense.
Yeah, I'm seeing how it wants me to do vectors when doing this. Um, it certainly doesn't look like English, that's for sure. Okay, so vector integers. First three multiple int. Multiples 4 int element. I don't understand how this is. Oh, okay. So the for loop ends. Why does the for loop end? Because I've never seen a for loop like this. For int element. So it's only gonna element new line. So we're saying int element is equal to first three multiples. So when it goes to the first three multiples up here, it is defining this as a integer and a vector. We're given number 8 to work with, which would be int num. So do 8, 16, and 24. Return multiples. Multiples is defined as a vector of integers. We're going to return multiples. That's going to assign it to element. So once multiples is defined, it is element, CO, element plus new line. It should only print one line of code then. No, why is it doing 3 lines of code? So is it saying for each element? But so we're defining multiples here. But then there's return multiples. If it's returning a vector, element is equal to the vector multiples. So it's going to see out the first part of the element, which would be just the 8. A new line, 16 line. 24. Okay. I finally wrapped my head around it. I just don't like the way vectors look and how it functions here. But I see, so for each object and element, and when it goes to this function, element is equal to multiples. Multiples 0, 1, 2. Next. My eyeballs be eyeballing.
What?
My eyeballs are eyeballing. Big yawns.
Here we go.
Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, Unreal Engine has a game learning bundle right now in Humble Bundle. You get a material pack. So we get a bunch of like textures and stuff that we can actually use in our own games.
Where is it?
Humble Bundle. Just got an email about
make
it,
your
but
own
it's for
games,
Unity
yeah.
if we wanted to make like 3D games, and you actually get like assets you're allowed to use.
Unreal Engine and Unity are two different engines. Unreal
Wait, is it
Engine.
Unity or Unreal? It's Unreal. It's Unreal.
They're two different engines.
Yeah,
Unreal is Fortnite.
right. Yeah. So you get a bunch of materials, and it looks like objects that you can use in Unreal Engine,
Damn.
and also has videos on how to like make games.
A $2,000 value. That's crazy.
Yeah, that would really help if we were making like.
And we could try. It's a C++
3D
course
games.
there.
It's C++ for Unreal?
Yes, but some of the things there say C++ developer courses. Do I have money? Let me see.
Oh, I see there's a learn to code bundle. Oh, yeah, Unreal Engine 5, C++ multiplayer, make your own co-op game. A first-person shooter course. C++ developer course for Unreal Engine. Another game developer course.
You have to pay at least
$25
$25 to get all of it, though.
That's really good.
That's
like,
not bad.
Considering there's an environment and design course that you get, atmospheric music asset pack, cinematic creator course, C++ fundamentals, Unreal material pack.
There's
That's
a
a
lot
lot of
in here.
really good stuff. Yeah. City and street decoration pack. Signs and posting pack. Sci-fi pack. Music assets. It's only $25 for all that? Dang. If you pay $1, you get the environmental design course.
Yeah.
Actually, just the there's really no point in paying the average of $23.53 and getting 5 items if you would just pay $25 and get all 14. Because the 5 items is paying the average, but it looks like most people just went for all 14. So now the average is $23.53.
Literally $2 more to get everything.
It's not even that. It's $1.47.
Yeah.
that might be worth getting.
You want to get it? If you get it, I'll get it.
Because
Yeah, we could
this
try
will
our
teach
hand
us.
doing it on Epic or on Unreal.
Yeah, instead of 2D, we'll have literally all the assets we need and knowledge to start making 3D games if we were to
There's
use
a course
this.
there for making co-op games as well, multiplayer co-op games.
Yeah, and it has like the fundamentals course worth $200 plus the developer course worth another $200.
Or I don't even see the fundamentals.
It's towards the bottom of the list of things that you get. Second row.
Oh, C++ fundamentals. And fundamentals is really all you need. Anytime you need something outside fundamentals, you're just gonna go to Google anyway. How
Until
do
it
I do
sticks
this
in your
C++?
brain, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
And then, but also what's cool about this is like, because our biggest problem is like not being able to create cool texture. Like, we're not artists, but we don't need to be with this bundle.
There's a first-person shooter course too. That's cool.
Yeah, so we'll know how to make FPS games, co-op games. We can make a co-op FPS action adventure game by the end of this course.
Mm-hmm.
Set in space.
Set in space.
Yeah, that might actually very much be worth picking up. Because we're learning C++ for the purpose of game dev. So why not just use this, where it's going to teach us specifically for game dev? Because a Codecademy, where we're learning kind of generalized C++, not specifically for game development, but this will teach us specifically how we're going to use our code in game development.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And we could even still take that over to Game Maker and make 2D games.
I'll tab this over here off my stream screen so I could pick this up.
Yeah, I'm probably going to purchase this. That is very much worth the investment, I think.
How'd you even find that?
I just got the email. I always get their emails, and so they've had a few game dev like stuff in the past, but nothing this good. Oh, they have hacking classes that you can learn too.
In this course?
In Humble Bundle, there's the ultimate testing bundle, so it pretty much teaches you how to find vulnerabilities and stuff in code and whatnot, which can obviously be used to do bad things. So it's really how you use your code that makes it good or bad. But there's another 42 item bundle that teaches you how to make AI. And it also teaches you how to use Unreal Engine 5 to make AI, it looks like characters. And it shows you how to, there's guides on using ChatGPT to make different things as well. Oh, look, multiplayer game development in Unreal Engine 5, the complete bundle. Okay, so, multiplayer programming in Godot 4. Oh, there's a lot in this. There's Godot, Unreal, web design, AI. And then also Unity. Interesting. That is a huge bundle. So it's a 42 item bundle and it's $25 for the Learn to Code bundle. But I feel like there's way too much in that to wrap our head around. I think the bundle we were just looking at, it would be good to get for sure.
You want to pick it up?
Yeah, I'll probably pick that up. I spent half that on breakfast, right? So I might as well.
Bro. Same.
Well, I mean, that's only like $12, $12.50.
Yeah.
It's like Dude, numbers just add up quick. That's why everyone's broke. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Unreal Engine 5 bundle for sure. Because we can also take that skill and make games in Fortnite too. I really like the multiplayer co-op game. Make your own co-op game. That would be fun to do.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it looks like we're going to do 2D and 3D games. We've got a lot to learn. And a lot of confusion to hopefully get past at some point. $131 copies sold. And it like just came out. The offer is available for the next 20 days and 23 hours. That's so crazy though that all of this worth like $2,000. 25 bucks. The bundle has raised $253 for charity. Nice. Let's see what games are on sale right now. Dot Age. Why do I feel like this game was definitely made in like Game Maker or Godot? Okay, Dot Age is interesting to say the least. Yeah, I'm for sure gonna buy that bundle. I might try to get an Uber order to pay for it today. I mean, I have the money to pay for it now. I have far more than enough to pay for it right now, but I just, now that I have money, I don't want it to go bye-bye. So I want to go make more money before spending any money I have.
Deca.
Mm-hmm.
So you already bought it, or you're going to?
Going to.
Okay. Does that mean you want to make the switch to Unreal Engine instead?
I mean, to be fair, we could make a game like Lethal Company if we do.
That's true.
And we will have the knowledge to do the music. We'll have a bunch of textures and assets we can already use legally in our own game since we'll be purchasing them for a severe discount.
20 days.
Yeah, we got 20 days to decide. Imagine they take it down like tomorrow because so many people bought it. They're like, yeah, we don't want this many game devs in the world. I'm just kidding. The more the merrier, right?
You never know. When people are grimy.
But I think using Unreal Especially the thing with Unreal is like when doing it in Fortnite too, you actually don't need to know any C++ at all to start making the maps and the games and stuff. But knowing it obviously gives you an advantage, right? So we can, I think using Unreal, if we want to make actually really cool games, we would have to use Unreal. Like, yeah, you can make great 2D games, but how often do you load up a 2D platformer to play all day?
Mm-hmm.
You probably don't. Like, usually the games you're playing all day are 3D in multiplayer or something. Unless it's like Stardew Valley. I mean, there's a few 2D games, of course, that have done very well, but for the most part, when you load up a game, you're not playing a 2D platformer.
Give me 1 second, Deca. Yeah, no, that you're not wrong. Oh, that reminds me. Are you gonna pick up Super Bunny Man for our Easter video?
I hear an echo.
You hear an echo?
Yeah.
Me?
I don't. Test.
Do you have my video, my stream up?
I just hear it over and over and over again. Is it my own stream? Oh, somehow I had another Chrome tab open with my stream up.
It's somehow.
I never opened it up. I opened it on my phone. I only had the Codecademy tab open this whole time. So that's why
Voltax,
just now
so
I started hearing an echo. It like opened on its own somehow. I must have clicked something in
talking
Twitch
about
Studio that opened up my stream on another tab, and I didn't even realize.
Released, and I don't know how long ago you said that, or if you're still here, but I apologize.
But no, I'm totally down to get into Unreal and C++ if you want to do that. I mean, the whole point of learning C++ is to be game devs anyway.
Like I said earlier, it's just I feel like I don't understand any of it unless I look at it, and then I can kind of piece it together, and
we can just wait for more Unreal bundles to come out. I'm sure they're gonna have an asset pack eventually and stuff.
Like I have to,
even though we're already getting assets.
I don't know, I do. What'd you say?
And there's plenty of free assets to use as well. We actually don't have to be the artists.
Give me 1 second, Deca.
Oker doker. Already stream. I'm gonna end stream here while we figure out what it is exactly we're gonna do. I've been streaming for just over an hour, which isn't like super long or anything, but I'm thinking we're gonna grab this pack, maybe check it out a bit. Yeah. Adios. We actually had a few people in here. No one really talked. I guess we were just watching, but hope you all have a great day. And yeah, we're gonna get on with trying to make cool games, I guess. Adios.
Okay, I'm back.
Welcome back. I just closed my stream just because I figured there'd be no point in streaming beyond this point now.
Are we done?
We did actually do Codecademy for over an hour.
Well, that's nothing.
No, yeah. Well, I'm not saying we're done, but like, if we're gonna be talking about Unreal Engine and maybe trying to switch over to learning C++ specifically for game creation, then the whole process of paying for it and setting shit up. I didn't want to stream all that.
I had someone in my chat that I didn't even realize because I had your stream up. Wasn't looking at my chat report. That's how it's spelled, right? O-B-L-T. Yeah.
You grab the bundle?
I'm about to, yeah.
I think that's a very good price. That is much good value.
Yeah. Typing in my information here in a second. Ouch.
Apparently, I should change my Humble Bundle password because password used in it was found in a data breach not too long ago.
Bruh.
But I haven't changed my Humble Bundle password in years, so it could be that it was a long time ago.
And purchased. Oh, bruh. Don't
Oh, I found my key for Game Maker Studio Pro. It's in my Humble Bundle. I have an old Game Maker key for Game Maker Studio Pro.
I wonder if it'll work still.
I have no idea. If we look back in the day, 2017, I paid $1 for an Assassin's Creed bundle. I got India, China, Russia, and Assassin's Creed for $1. I still have all those codes.
Okay, I'm gonna end my stream because I don't want to show anything I don't want to. So
right, that's why I ended mine.
Bye.